Hi guys, welcome to Cosmic Essence Education. My name is Maitray, and in this video we'll be looking at the product to sum formulae in trigonometry. So the first formula, that is 2 sine A cos B. This is equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Let's look at the proof. So for the proof, we'll be proceeding from the RHS, which is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Now you need to know that this formula is an identity. That means it is valid for any variable, any value of the variables that are involved in this identity, that is A and B. So for any angle this is true. Also that the left hand side is equal to right hand side, and we can always proceed from this to this, or we can proceed from right hand side to left hand side. It is valid. Okay, so you always have to remember it both ways. You can apply them in both ways. Okay, alright. So now let's look at the proof. Let's open this. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B plus sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So we see that this term cos A sine B gets cancelled here with minus cos A sine B. So we get 2 sine A cos B, which is our LHS. Alright, the second formula is 2 cos A sine B, which is equal to sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Proof for this is, again we proceed from RHS, that is sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Now open them. So sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Now put a negative sign and apply the compound angle formula here, sine A minus B, that is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Now this is negative, so sine A cos B minus sine A cos B will get cancelled. So this gets cancelled with this term. Cos A sine B here is positive, minus into minus will become positive, so this becomes 2 cos A sine B, which is our LHS. So hence proved. The third formula is 2 cos A cos B, which is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Again, proof for this is by proceeding from the RHS, which is equal to, now I am not writing this again, we can just directly open the RHS, that is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B plus cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Sine A sine B is negative sign here, it is coming with the positive sign here, this gets cancelled, so this is equal to 2 cos A cos B. This is our third formula. So the fourth formula is 2 sine A sine B, which is actually equal to cos of A minus B minus cos A plus B, or we can write minus 2 sine A sine B is equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So you see that there is a little change here. If I have 2 sine A sine B, we get cos A minus B as the first term, then minus of cos A plus B. Okay, why is this happening? We can see this from the proof. RHS, if we proceed from here, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Now this is equal to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B minus cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. If I open this, this is cos A cos B plus sine A sine B as it is. Now minus sign here, this means this becomes minus cos A cos B. I'm sorry, this is cos B plus sine A sine B. Cos A cos B gets cancelled, so we get this is equal to 2 sine A sine B. Okay, let's look at the second form, that is minus 2 sine A sine B is equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So if I write cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, let's open that and we'll get minus 2 sine A sine B. So cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. This is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B minus of cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Open the bracket. This is minus cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Cos A cos B minus cos A cos B gets cancelled, so this is equal to minus 2 sine A sine B. So the second form is also a good form to remember, as on the right hand side we have cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, which is a better form to remember, but you should be aware that there is a negative sign here, so it is a little bit different from the other formulae. Okay guys, I hope you understood the product to sum formulas in trigonometry. I have explained them here with proof, which is very important, as you should know how to derive these formulas if you are not able to remember them, because derivation, because it involves a trick, helps in remembering the formula in the times where you actually forget the formula and you can derive that. Okay, I hope you like the video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with as many of your friends as possible. Thank you.